Red Toyota with 31 boggers on there. I'm gonna play in the mud hole. Boy, it's mushy. Oh, it's my turn to get covered. Jeez. Covered me. Them boggers chew. Wow. Those boggers can throw some mud like the black Toyota. Wow. Oh, it's rough right there. Oh. There's a waterfall, folks. Look at that, second gear waterfall. Wow. All right. Wow, that thing is covered. There. Wow. Look at that stuff.
I don't think I've ever seen that truck that covered.
No.
Haven't?
We have to go take a look.
What are we doing?
Wonderful.
Still going now?
That was beautiful.
Awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
Look at it. Look at the back of the truck with that waterfall.
Oh my goodness! Holy cow! Holy shit!
Boy, that was that waterfall.
You covered your chairs, honey, because otherwise that's what they'd be.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at that. Shooting them tires right off. Look, they're just about bald now. Look, they just
Shredded 'em. They
put
were
them
brand
on.
new.
Wow, the knobbies on them babies. All right.
Look at that.
Yeah, how was that
yeah,
view?
Oh my
That was
god.
awesome.
Yeah.
I got it where you see the one side was the left was chewing.
Awesome.
Shot the other side at the same time.
All right. Another look at the knobbies.
Oh my goodness, I will never get that clean.
Yeah, well,
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
yeah, we get home.
Thanks for watching.
That was it. Wow.